Morning, it's me. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Fight and Talk video. I hope you're all doing okay. We're down the unit today. I've got a live job on. It's a van. We like a van. So that means obviously we're taking the run dog with us. So I'm going to get him out. I'm going to put some bloody clothes on and you're coming with me. Go get yourselves a brew. Go get yourselves a beer. Go get yourselves an iced mocha. What? Let's push the boat out. It's nearly summer. It is a beautiful day. I'm in a great mood. Look, that's all you can see at the minute. But trust me, you're gonna see it in a minute. It's gonna go berserk. Take your brain out for a minute, ride along in the truck, and we're gonna have a good time, okay? I've got stories. I've got stuff to tell you. Windy. Oh, what a time to be alive. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a bit of a mess down here at the minute. There's my shoes and my clothes. Using my V8 Transit as a clothes horse. Look. It is a bit of a mess. My tools are out, and that's because I had a little bit of an issue with Ronnie earlier in the week. So I had to sort it on the fly. I had a live job, came down here. Couldn't get him to start. Look, you know I keep showing off my daughter's artwork. Look at that one. BMW fans. That's intense. That's a painting. She painted that. Look at that. I know, and that. Oh, it's everywhere. Right, let's go pick up a van. I'm gonna put you on the windscreen. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! See, look at that. I'm getting good at that. Right, so we are currently at 79 Fahrenheit for you Fahrenheit temperature fans. Yeah, this is a sleeper to sleeper job, and then I've got another one. It's a live job. The guy is broken down in Audi in a van, so that's going to be a nightmare. Got to get the truck in there. Oh, shout out to, well, I can't remember his name, from Technic Records, who messaged me saying for years he's had a slow seatbelt. One of Ben's top tips. My seatbelt has stopped retracting, and he used my trick of the polish on both sides. Whizzed back in. He was like, mate, you're a legend. I was like, oh no, thanks. I don't think that, don't worry about that. If I thought that, you just wouldn't watch, would you? Right, before we go and get this truck, I do want to say a massive thank you to the new channel sponsor. So you might have already spotted my little shaker. So this is Holy, right? So they reached out to me. You may or may not have seen that I drink quite a lot of energy drinks, and they were like, we do an energy drink and it's healthy. So I've been using it. They sent me the bumper starter pack so that I could try all of them. They do 3 different types. One's energy, one is for hydration. So this is genuine true story. Since they reached out to me and since they started sponsoring this channel, my little channel, I have not bought a single energy drink. I'm completely converted. They are brilliant. So I use the energy drink in the morning or before I go to the gym, because I like to go to the gym. I use it as my pre-workout. It is really good, and it's all natural ingredients. So none of that toxic stuff, nothing that's gonna slowly kill you. It is good, wholesome, natural ingredients and flavorings. If you want to try it for yourself, don't just take my word for it. Follow the link in the description of this video. Trust me, I'm converted, and I mean that. I'm going to be exclusively using this now instead of my normal energy drinks. It's great. I've gone for apple alligator today. It's yummy. I like it. Right, that's enough of that, and thank you very much to Holy for sponsoring my little channel. I very much appreciate it. Right guys, we're now up to 97 Fahrenheit, so I think that's good enough to go. We can proceed. We've got some temperature into our oil, and we're actually picking this up from literally around the corner from my unit, so we ain't got to go far, so Ronnie can sit there ticking over. Big shout out to everybody who sent some love, by the way, for Jeff, and for after he very sadly lost his wife. Horrific that was, but you guys came together. I read all the comments, and so did Jeff. Jeff was blown away. He messaged me and he was just like, thank you so much. I was like, it's okay, it's the least I could do for you, mate. Right, I've got to go over there to pick this car up, to go and get the keys. You can sit, I'll put you on the back window and you can watch some stuff. There you go, look, seamless transition. These are the people here, this is hipsters. They're the people that are doing my the transit for me. So because I don't have the time, I'm literally too busy to do it. These guys are restoring. They've done the engine bay, and they're going to spray it in the next couple of weeks. Stick around for that, and it will be at a show near you. Right, I'm talking too much. I'm getting distracted.
You got me feeling like a firebolt high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm. Oh, here we
Right, so the lady said do not start it, wherever you do, it's got no oil in it. Blowing all its oil through the turbo, so we definitely will not start it. So we'll open that window so I can do some steering.
There's no more clouds on the freeway. Now tell me you'll stay. Stay. Gonna now and last someday. Here we go, rose bed, fancy hotels, girl, you know. Baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All crazy. You make my heart believe. There's only one of you, baby. Run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe. And we'll stay in bed all day. Make love in every way.
There you go, look, fatty's on the back. It is warm. I think the jumper might be coming off, guys. It might be that time. It's April, isn't it now? Pitot is off. Winch is off. Right, let's go. Let's go, shall we? So we're not going very far with this one. This is one of my like local jobs. I do it for all the garages around here. There's my mates JP Autos, Oliver's, their MOT, and you know Dino, my bike, Dino. A bumblebee just hit me so hard in the nipple that I think I've just grown another nipple on my nipple. They're MOTing it for me on Saturday so we can get the bike back out. The industrial estate we're going to like backs onto this wasteland here. Can you see that? Can you see me? So we're just taking it literally over the railway bridge to another go to Causey Motors. We've been there loads of times, so big shout out to them. Here's our AA friend. Oh, he gave us a big wave. Big shout out to you, mate. Probably he doesn't know we're filming, but hello. Also, I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're going through a stressful time, nothing is more stressful. I have decided this is the most stressful thing in the world, is using a jet wash. The jet wash hose, doesn't matter where you are in the world, doesn't matter if you're on a public jet wash, a personal jet wash, the hose of a jet wash is now my least favourite thing in the world. When I'm using my jet wash, someone comes out of my unit and wraps it all up, kinks it, wraps it under my wheel of the car I'm trying to wash. It's the most stressful thing I've ever experienced. So if you've got anything that you think can beat that, feel free to drop it in the comments, because I don't think there is anything. So my bike is due its MOT, right? I haven't ridden it all winter. In fact, the last time I rode it was when I took you to Cadwell with me. I've shown you enough clips of that, I'm not going to show anymore. That was a good day, I enjoyed it. However, I got back, I feel really bad for it because I literally just parked it up and it's sat in my unit, not been touched since then. So I literally put the cover over it. I've not put the mirrors back on, I've not put the reg back on, I've not changed the oil, I've not even changed the back tyre, which needs doing for the MOT. So it's going in on Saturday with a new tyre that I've already got. I got the tyre. It's going in and it's going to have a fresh MOT. Thank you to Oliver's for that. And then we're going to go out and do some riding. A few people have said you wanted to see some flying videos and some biking videos, some more flying stuff.
It's getting a little bit dark and gloomy. I'm really glad I wore shorts and a t-shirt.
So that is in the pipeline, so bear with me on that. I've got some stuff coming that is going to be flying stuff, and I can always get you out and we'll do some biking stuff. I'm well up for that. Now that the weather's nice, I am a fair weather biker. I don't care if you don't like it. Go and watch someone else. Been here before, haven't we, gang? You know this place. Tell you what we'll do. Let's do a different camera angle. You ready for this? We're going to experiment. Oops. Oops. I don't know what that was. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you on the mirror. I know there'll be some of you that'll be like, this guy's drinking energy drinks. He does not need more energy. That was nice. Oddly, this is not a wet belt fail, which is what you probably would have expected if you saw the thumbnail of this van on here. It isn't, it's a turbo, I think. No, it's sad, all sad. Let's get back in running. That was nice, they're nice people there. I can't remember the receptionist's name. Trudy, I think. I don't know, but they're nice. They were asking me why I'm selling Sleaford Recovery and what I'm going to do. Lights off. Yeah, they were like, oh, what are you going to do? And I was like, I can't tell you guys because I haven't told you. I haven't told the guys on the YouTube channel. Once I tell you, well, I got to tell my fighting talkers first. Most exclusive club in the world. Once they find out where I'm going, then I can tell you lot. Then I can tell these lot. But Sleaford Recovery will be in safe hands. Oh, it's sad, isn't it? Sad, guys. Ronnie, you're gonna miss me. I'm gonna miss you. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much the job done. I am gonna head back. The one thing I was gonna say is, I make quite a lot of, like, I say jokes, light-hearted jokes. It's kind of a bit of a old school sense of humour, maybe you could call it. Maybe it comes from a bit of time in the military. But I make jokes about holding and roundabout being the roundabout of death. You've probably heard me say it a few times. Oh look, we're on the roundabout of death. I'll be like, we survived, we went around the roundabout of death. Well, unfortunately, that kind of came true, and there was an accident there last week, and unfortunately, a 20-month-old little boy, I think, was unfortunately fatally injured on holding and roundabout. That is incredibly sad. There's absolutely no redeeming features to that story whatsoever, so that is incredibly sad, and my heart goes out to the family, friends of the family of that little boy that was killed. So yeah, deepest condolences from me. It just goes to show it is a terrible roundabout. People just don't know how to use it. Now, I'm actually going to film another video in a minute. I'm looking forward to this one. It's a bit of a flying one, you will see. But yeah, big shout out to my sponsor, Holy. Thank you very much for sponsoring the channel. I'm loving your product, and I hope if you want to try it too, look in that link in the description. Whatever you do this week, guys, be happy, be safe, be well. Just look after yourselves, look after each other. The sun is shining, and even if it's not, who cares? Get on the sofa, watch a film. That's what life's all about. Just be happy. I promise you, that's all you got to do. Guys, whatever you do, have a great time. I'll be rooting for you. Much love. I'll see you on the next one, and I cannot wait.
Don't look before you leave.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Don't want to get a copyright. Still rolling, rolling, rolling.
What you give, you get to keep.
Are you charging?
So long, farewell, bye-bye.